Hi, hello, welcome. So today I am going to show you how to do a repair if your top stitching has come undone, like it has here on my skirt. So this is a faux leather, so I don't want to be messing about unpicking and trying to restitch. So what I'm going to do is just repair this with a simple hand stitch. Just get a length of the green thread, thread the needle. Doesn't need to be a very long length. I've only got 3 stitches here I need to repair. Just get myself a nice secure knot. So on something like this where any holes I put into this fake leather would show. So we want to make sure that I'm stitching, or I want to make sure that I'm stitching through the correct hole at the correct place at the correct time without causing any damage to the fabric. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn this around and go up inside. So I'm just going to come up. So that was not the right one. There we go. So come up through that hole. Okay, so now we've come up that hole. We want to catch this thread. So I'm coming up and over the thread, the top stitching thread, and then going back down and pulling the thread tight like so. Okay, next one. Just want to give it a little bit of a tug, so you almost pull the top stitch thread through to the reverse. So we're coming up here. I'm really close to, but not on. So I'm coming up here now on one side of the top stitch thread, pull the thread through, come to the other side of the top stitching thread, and then back down through the same hole. Pull the threads tight, like so. And then the third and final stitch, coming up and over the top stitch thread and back down, bringing this thread tight. So we've still got a little bit of a loop there on the top stitching thread. I just want to pull my new thread tight to secure that. I am actually, if I can find the hole, just going to come up and just secure this last bit, just in case that bit might come loose, and come back down and pull that tight. Okay, so that has repaired and neatened those top stitching threads without damaging anything on the fabric. You can see here I've just got a little bit tangled up somehow. I'm just going to secure this on the reverse side here. Just a few little stitches in place. We don't want these threads to come undone. We don't want that thread to come undone wherever that belongs to. So we're just going to stitch through that as well. Secure everything in place. Just going over a few times and then pulling the thread tight. So that wasn't perfect, but it will stop that going any further and will mean I can wear my skirt without worrying that top stitching is going to fall off. I'm just going to go any further. And yeah, I'll be wearing this at the weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.